Stop. A Grok bot that dumps a to-do list is not a life seat. A Grok bot that copies a typed skill, watches one job, and holds the send. That is a personal assistant. Really listen. BotSkillStack has a personal assistant silo. This video walks 10 live skills: appointment slot watcher, Bible accuracy study bot, campsite watcher, charge disputer, class action matcher, contract diff, email purger, find the signal, flight check-in, and fridge to dinner plan. Not official xAI. A catalog. Counts can change. Every URL is in the description. You still approve every send, every booking, and every dispute. 1. Skill versus routine. Test run is real. 2. 10 life skills in 4 groups. 3. How you copy one without auto-booking. 4. Official rule, draft. Then you decide. Stay with me. Most people let a bot book the flight on day 1. Week, scrape every calendar, auto-book. Hope the fare is fair. Strong, copy flight check-in. Gmail plus X. Draft the check-in. You still tap confirm. A skill is the method. A routine is when the bot runs it. / to reference. Plugins, yours, enable it. Test run does real work. 1 bot, up to 50 routines. Group 1. Travel and time. Watch. You still book. Flight check-in. Gmail plus X. It drafts. You still check in. Campsite watcher. Slack. A site opens. You still reserve. Appointment slot watcher. Slack. A slot appears. You still take it. Group 2. Money and paper. Drafts, not lawsuits on autopilot. Charge disputer. Gmail. A draft dispute. You still send. Class action matcher. Gmail plus X. A possible match. You still file or skip. Contract diff. Google Drive. 2 versions. You still sign. Group 3. Inbox signal, purge and find. You still keep the mail. Email purger. Gmail plus X. A delete list. You still confirm. Find the signal. Slack plus granola. The point of a noise. You still act. Group 4. Odd but live on the silo. Name them. Bible accuracy study bot. X. A study pass. You still read. Fridge to dinner plan. Chat plus search. A meal from what you have. You still cook. Install as copy, not vibes. Open BotSkillStack.com/personal assistance. Copy prompt. View schema. Pick the owning bot. Enable the plugin. / the skill. Fill Gmail, Slack, and approval rules. Test run on a dummy trip or a dummy inbox. Then schedule with time zone and a no data policy. Approve sending, calendar rights, and anything that leaves the bot computer. Access is still a paid plan. Super Grok Plus or Heavy. Cursor Pro Plus, Ultra, or Teams. Your move this week. Pick 2. Flight check-in plus appointment slot watcher. Or charge disputer plus fridge to dinner plan. Do not install all 10 on day 1. And do not auto-book. Links for the 10 skills, the personal hub, the Telegram bot guide, and the full catalog are in the description. This video used AI assistance for voice and edit. Like if the hold the send rule was the missing piece. Subscribe for the next silo when we ship it. Approve every send. You still decide.